Welcome to Tada AI by Tadabase. For years, Tadabase has powered business applications for companies of every size, real apps running real operations every single day. Today, we're taking everything we've learned and everything we've built, and we're introducing something new, Tada AI. It's a completely new way to build business applications, combining the speed of AI and vibe coding with the flexibility of no code, all sitting on top of the same battle-tested platform businesses have trusted for years. Here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert to get started. All it takes is a simple prompt. Tell Tada AI what you want to build. And the more you know about your business, the more powerful it gets. But you can start with just an idea. So let's build something. Today, we're going to be creating a patient portal. We'll type in what we want, and press start building. Now, before we watch the AI do its work, let's take a quick tour of the studio to see how everything comes together. When you first log in, you can navigate to your apps. And from here, you can organize all of your work into workspaces, making it easy to collaborate with fellow builders on your business applications. Inside of each workspace are your apps, the business applications you built with Tada AI or created yourself. Let's open one of these apps. First, there's the database view. This is where the structure of your application lives. Your tables, fields, relationships, and all of the information your business depends on. Every application starts here, and this is where you'll always have complete visibility and control over your data. Next is the workflows view. This is the automation engine behind your application. Whenever something happens, whether it's a new record, an update, or a scheduled event, you can trigger actions automatically. Send emails, update records, notify users, connect with other systems, or launch entire business processes without writing a single line of code. Then we have our AI agents. These are one of the most exciting parts of Tada AI. You can build agents that help you create and modify your application. But even more importantly, you can create agents that live inside your finished application for your users. Different users can have different agents, each designed specifically for their role. And finally, templates. Here you'll find import templates, export templates, email templates, all AI prompts, and other reusable assets that make your application complete. These are the pieces that transform your database into a polished business application. Now let's go back and watch Tada AI build all of this for us. Right away, Tada AI got to work, and you can watch every step unfold in real time. There are about 16 steps in this process, each one building on the last. This isn't a black box. You see exactly what's being built step by step. First, it builds out your data structure, the tables, the fields, the columns. Just like we saw in the database view, this becomes the foundation of your entire application. Your database designed and organized around what your business actually needs. Then it layers in your business logic. Equations, roll-ups, aggregate fields, the calculations that turn raw data into real insight. From there, it starts building out the templates we talked about earlier, AI prompts, import templates, export templates, and more, giving your application everything it needs to interact with the data efficiently. And then come workflows. As we saw in the workflows section of the studio, this is where your app comes to life. When something happens, a new record, an update, and a specific event, your app can automatically trigger the next action. Send an email, update a record, kick off a process. All of it automated. Now here's what matters. Every single one of these steps is powered by the Tadabase backend, the same secure, reliable engine that businesses have depended on for years. So you're not getting experimental, untested code. You're getting the speed of AI on top of infrastructure that's already proven itself at scale. And security isn't an afterthought. It's built into every layer. As Tada AI creates your app, it applies record-level security automatically. It defines exactly who can see what and who can do what, right down to the individual record. Every user only ever sees the data they're supposed to see, based on permissions that are simple to define and easy to manage. And in just a few minutes, usually under 5, your app is built. A complete working application, just like that. But we're only getting started. I want to demonstrate two of the features I mentioned that makes Tada AI stand out from any other database application builder out there, whether traditional or AI. Let's say we want to change the background or adjust how the login page looks. We just select the area that we want to change, type in the chat what we want to do, and just like that, the AI is going to take care of it. While it's taking care of it, let's take a look at another feature. I want to show you one of the most powerful features in all of Tada AI, something that truly sets it apart: Tada Agents. Remember the AI agents that we saw earlier? This is where those agents come to life. These aren't agents for the person building the app. These are agents that live inside the app for people who actually use it every day. And the builder decides exactly which agents each type of user gets. In a healthcare setting, for example, your clinicians might get one set of agents while your patients get another, each tailored to what they actually need to do. Here's what that looks like in practice. As you can see, the AI agent has already developed the login page quite a bit. We'll get back to that. Let's say the clinician wants to know or wants to create a follow-up note for today's visit with my patient regarding a treatment plan. This AI agent could help do that. This agent has access to only the information that the clinician would have access to. Everything is completely secure and safe. No matter what these agents do, security always comes first. An agent will never surface a record that doesn't belong to that user. That's enforced at every level. And any field marked as HIPAA sensitive is automatically masked before it's ever sent to the AI. Your protected information stays protected, always. You get the full power of AI without ever compromising on privacy or compliance. Let's see how well it did. Just like that, the agent has drafted a complete follow-up note for this clinician's patient. Let's take a look at what happened to the login page. Wow. At the same time while we were generating that follow-up note, this agent completely revamped the login page. Now I want to show you a quick overview of the app that was built. A full clinical portal with two separate roles, clinician and patient. So let me open it up and walk you through it. Here we go. This is the sign-in, HIPAA compliant, role-based access. Same login, two completely different experiences. Let's start on the clinician side. This is the clinician's home base, a snapshot of their day, appointments, open tasks, active patients, and their calendar, all in one view. This is their full patient roster, everyone assigned to them, with status, insurance, and appointment history, all searchable and filterable. The clinician schedule, every appointment across all their patients, viewable as a calendar, table, or timeline. Clinical records. This is where they create, review, and upload clinical records across all their patients, labs, prescriptions, treatment plans, and notes. A task manager for follow-ups and check-ins with priorities and a Kanban board so nothing slips. And a secure encrypted messaging between the providers and patients, built right in. Now let's see the same app from the patient side. The patient's home base, their balance, next appointment, and health summary at a glance. Their personal profile, demographics, insurance, and emergency contact all in one place. Their appointments with the ability to request new ones directly. Their clinical records, and thanks to record level security, they only ever see records scoped to them, nobody else's data. Self-serve billing, outstanding balance, payment history, and the ability to pay right here. And their intake forms, private and securely stored. So, two portals, role-based access, record-level security, scheduling, billing, tasks, and messaging. And it was all built by AI. The great thing is, even if you noticed issues in that final build, it's as simple as reprompting the agent to make sure that your page looks exactly the way you want it to. Clean, smooth, and perfect for your business. So that's Tada AI, from a single prompt to a complete, secure, intelligent application in minutes. Built on a platform trusted for years, powered by AI, and ready for whatever your business needs. This is the future of building business apps, and it's here today. Welcome to Tada AI.